Hi, my name is Jason Wickers, and I am a second grade teacher. I'm here to present to you guys a mobile computing proposal for kindergarten through third grade students. The problem is that we have no technology at our school for our younger students. Our kindergarten through third grade students need mobile teaching because technology has become a part of our everyday lives. Our students will start to fall behind socially and academically because once they get to middle school and high school, they will understand how to use these technologies. And for later in life, if they go to college or once they get a job, they won't have the basic computing skills that they will need, or they will just be behind their other coworkers and other students. Another issue is that students are missing out on a better education. There are so many great online resources that are provided. There are so many activities, lessons, tutorials, and fun educational games. I'll discuss these different resources here soon. Our solution is very simple. iPad minis. iPad minis have great educational tools and resources for our students to use. As a teacher, I will be using an application called Seesaw. There are so many great other applications out there. This is just one that I would implement. It's an application that allows myself to talk to students and parents. Parents are also able to see exactly what their students are learning and what they're doing in the classroom. Seesaw is a great tool to use because it keeps the students and parents involved and engaged. It's also great because teachers, such as myself, can post all kinds of assignments and activities. For example, if we are doing an art project or creating a science poster, then students can use their iPads to draw, take pictures, and edit their poster however they want. This allows students to get creative, and then once they're done, they're able to upload their image of the poster onto Seesaw so that way I myself can see it and their parents are also able to see it. The cost for one iPad mini is $299. For 200 students, it would cost about $59,000. Yes, it's pricey, but just think of how these iPads will benefit the children and their education. We don't want our students to fall behind or not get the chance of using better resources in the classroom. Without technology, teachers can only do so much with what we are able to provide. The implementation process would be a little different. Students will get their iPad minis on the second week of school and not during the first. This way, during the first week of school, there will be introductions and rules of the classrooms, and then teachers will also go over the rules about their iPad minis and what the students can and can't do with them. Once the students get their iPad minis, the teachers will walk them through on how to use them. So, for example, the teachers can create tutorials on how you would submit something or upload something to Seesaw or whatever learning resource that you choose to use. Students will not be allowed to take their iPads home after school. They will turn them in at the end of the day, every day, and this will ensure that the iPads won't get destroyed or lost since kindergarten through third graders are not old enough to take on that much responsibility yet. So the impact. The iPad minis provides students with better communication among their peers and with their teachers. It's easier to stay organized for both students and teachers since everything would be on the iPads or in Seesaw. It's much easier to find than having to go through folders and trying to find papers. Students wouldn't have to worry about losing assignments because they would be on their devices. And it's also easier for teachers to send out things to parents so that way you don't have to worry about sending home, say, a permission slip, and that way the students forget to have their parents sign it. Instead, you can just send out a PDF for parents to fill out on Seesaw, and they'll just sign it and send it right back. And it is much easier. It's also easier for teachers to grade and keep track of everything. It increases student engagement and student motivation since students get so excited when it comes time to working with their devices. All skills are improved, such as math, reading, and science. Investing in this proposal will be investing in our students' education. This technology will advance our students to the next level academically and socially because every single skill will be improved. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for your time.